That is the SVO. I think that's the way you'd want it. Look at this turbo. That is not a stock turbo. These are original. It's got an IRS 400 horse. Yeah. Serious? That's your VIN number?
That's my VIN number.
Oh, he's got the VIN number. That is... Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and you might be wondering what we're up to today. I mean, what are all these people out here looking at? Well, we are at Pitts, guys. We're still at Pony in the Smokies. In case you missed the first upload, that went up before this one, so check that video out. Having a lot of fun. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous day, and we're gonna start this out with my buddies over at Power Curve. You can see Eric, we got his 93 coupe over here. We've had this car on the channel before. It is a sweet, sweet notch. It's got about 550 to the ground or so, maybe 500, I don't quite remember, but it was a lot of power, a lot of power. But over here, got Power Curve getting ready to start on the dyno. We'll see what kind of numbers it makes. Got all kinds of stuff going on here. Dyno, all kinds of stuff. What do you think it'll make? What'd we get? All right, guys, it pulled in about 650 is what Rob said, and he also does tuning as well. Like I said, he tuned my car before. A lot of cars coming through here, and it's fun. Maybe we'll get another one. Definitely check out Power Curve, though, if you need some tuning. Try to catch Rob later if I can, if he's got a Fox up there. We'll see, but right now, I want to check out all the other cars in the show. We've got cars over here, cars through here. We've already been inside. We covered that last video. Check this out. I think this is the original 93 Cobra. It says it's for sale. There you go, guys. You want to get you a 93 Cobra. It does appear to be legit too, guys. You see the SVT there. I don't know if that's 28,000. If it is, I think that's actually a pretty good price, especially if it's all original. I have no idea what the mileage is on it, but it's got some paint, you know, needs a little bit of paint stuff, but man, that interior is nice. I think it's all 64, so we'll see. Maybe 164, I'm not sure, but definitely an original 93 Cobra. Check it out. One for sale right there. I don't know what the price is. I'm sure it is not cheap because that one looks nice. Guys, we had somebody stop by the booth. Been a subscriber of the channel for a long time. Actually, I got him to start Instagram, I think, right? Didn't I get you started? All right. You guys know him if you're regulars of all the Foxbody channels. MJI83GT. Here with his son. Son's into Foxbodies too. Hey. But great to see you again, man. Welcome.
Nice to see you.
It's been a while, but you know what I like? Check this out. He's wearing the Gearhead 704 shirt. That's right. Sporting that today. We've been selling those. But you brought yours on. You bought yours a long time ago. Yeah. You ordered it, right?
Yeah, I've got the blue one too.
Yeah, and he's got the OG blue one, which is what I'm wearing. We're almost out. There's only like 5 left. So yeah, she's done a good job. You know, Tiff. Yep. Yeah, exactly. So you own 2 now, right? Yep.
83 and 87.
Yep. And the 87 you picked up maybe about 6 months ago?
Yeah.
Is that about right?
October last year, yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, so about that time. So we need to get them on the channel at some point.
We'll get on
there. We'll work that out. So cool. Well, I'm glad you stopped by. The shirt looks great, man.
All right. Comfortable too.
Is it good? Yeah, these are better quality than the blue one. Have you worn them both? Which one do you think feels better? You tell difference?
Black one.
Yeah, black one's way better. Go for the black. They also have a parts swap here, guys. Parts swap outside. You can see we've got parts over there, all over. Matt right there. But yeah, we're gonna look at some parts and see. We're always trying to look for a good deal. Matt's always looking for a good deal. Let's see what we got. Matt, I think that these go on some Foxbody, right? Something like that, yeah.
The ones I'm not familiar with.
Yeah, I know. Maybe that's the Mustang too? I don't know. What is that? S550. Yeah, we're not familiar with those. All right, guys, got this. Oh, it's for sale too. Oh, this SSP is more together than mine, guys. Florida Highway Patrol. How's your cow? You're selling it, huh? Is it a drag car?
No, I just switched those. We had those.
Okay. Got it for sale, huh?
A little better wheel.
Oh, yeah. What do you think, Matt? This one's already put together.
Yeah, you're gonna swap out?
He says, yeah, Matt, buy this. It's swap. I'll trade you. It's clean title. Mine's only in shambles right now, so.
It's in pieces.
Pieces, yes. Just need to be put back together, so. Pine Creek Performance. Got a website? All right, that's all you need. Hand me that.
Big. We're a little too back.
He said he saw me on YouTube. I don't know if he was telling the truth or he just wanted free advertising. I don't know which one it was. There we go. Pine Creek Performance. Sell used parts, right? Buy, sell, trade. Brent is gonna lead me to the promised land. So let's go.
We'll see as long as they haven't left.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if he comes through, guys, or if this hits the cutting room floor. I don't know. Do you use all your footage, Brent, all the time?
No.
No.
I've got a hard drive full of stuff that hasn't been used.
It's one of these times you just got to throw it together. The unused clips.
The blooper, I guess bloopers.
Yes, you need bloopers, guys. If you want Brent to see bloopers, no, I didn't say that right. If you want Brent to see bloopers, I guess you can watch one of my videos.
There you go.
But if you want to see Brent Hickshouse video bloopers, let him know. Go over to his channel, spam his channel. We want bloopers, Brent. We want bloopers. It's getting thin out here, guys. Bunch of cars over that way. This was all full today, right?
It was packed, yeah.
Was it? You made it out here? But it's supposed to rain. We're hearing rain tomorrow, right? Is that what you're hearing? Yeah. So I missed it. If you want to see all the cars that were out here, go check out his video.
Yes, please.
But yeah, I mean, we normally like fox bodies. All I see is a bunch of newer Mustangs, pretty much.
One fucked up.
All right, we're gonna keep looking, guys. We're keep looking.
Glad to be at a show.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. The video before this, when I was just saying really my first show in 2 years. Now I know you had the Fox Gathering, and that's this year, November, right?
November 6th.
November 6th.
First Saturday.
In November.
We want to go to Foxtoberfest too.
Yeah.
So we pushed it back. So.
Okay. So no conflict with Foxtoberfest, and I will be there. Last year I was actually up here. I was at Pigeon Forge I was at some mountains. I don't know where I was. I took a break. I wish I hadn't.
Romantic getaway, I'm sure.
Yes, it was. That's for another channel. No, that's on no channels, actually. We can look at that one, I guess. Yeah. We're gonna bring you some SBO content. I think I have some of the most watched SBO videos. If you look at my top videos, remember Mr. Automotive? You remember him?
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to that guy. Here we go. Oh, this is cut.
Oh, this is.
Yeah, this is custom. Look at this turbo.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. That is not a stock turbo.
No, sir.
Wow. That's
Holy
pretty
cow.
cool. Oh yeah, he's racing here, guys. We don't know who this is, but it looks the inside kind of like Mad Maxine a little bit.
Got Brembos.
Yeah, well, well, I was gonna say he's 5-lug, but they were 5-lug anyway. But wow, now those might be original Cobra R's.
Those look like real Cobra
right?
R's. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, some nice Brembo brakes, and that is a serious turbo.
Yeah, I bet this thing's making some serious steam. This you?
Yes, sir.
It is.
We were just trying to. This is a serious SBO.
Yeah, I came over this like this is not stock.
The only thing stock on this car is the body.
Okay.
So it's got a full SN95 front end in there. It's got a tubular K member. It's got a big turbo, front mount intercooler. It's Eagle crank, forged rods, TRW pistons. Got a big valve head, poured and polished upper that's been rotated. 56 pounds.
Yeah, I noticed it was rotated. Yep.
It's rotated. 56 pound injectors. Runs 26 pounds of boost, like 400 horse.
400 horse. Is that the wheels or is that
the tires?
Wow.
These original Cobra R wheels?
Those are real Cobra R.
We thought so.
We thought.
Yeah.
Those are not the R58s. They're the M179 Cobra R wheels.
Oh man.
These are original though, guys.
Those are Holy Grail Cobra R wheels.
Oh wow. This thing is.
It's got the Cadillac Brembos on the front.
Yeah.
And it has an 01 Cobra IRS on it.
It's got an IRS. Uh-oh. Okay, we're going underneath. I gotta look. Gotta look under there. It is gorgeous, man. 26 years of work, I just heard him say, guys. Wow. T56 Magnum, yep. Yeah, that's what I got in mind. Is it still the T5 right now?
Yeah, it's got the World Class T5.
Okay. What gears do you have in it?
410s.
410s? You're gonna love that T56 Magnum.
I know, because it's
highway, it's gotta be horrible, right?
horrible on it.
How long have you owned the car?
26 years.
26 years.
He's almost there with me.
Yeah.
There you go. It doesn't get any more.
Oh, look at that. He's serious. That's your VIN number?
That's my VIN number.
Oh, he's got the VIN number. That is awesome.
Steal his car. He can track you down by his arm.
Yeah, do not steal his car,
I
guys.
went to go get the tag for it. They're like, do you know what your VIN number is? I was like, well, as a matter of fact.
Oh, so you've had this since the 90s then?
I bought it in 94.
Okay.
Oh, he beat me by 1 year. I bought mine in 95.
Yeah.
My Mustang.
Yeah, he's got the 82 GT, but what year SBO is it?
86.
86, last year. Okay.
It's the best looking SVO. Because the headlights.
Yep. Wow.
I saw that.
I was telling Brent like everybody had left and I said, take me to some cool cars, and pretty much brought me right here.
Yes.
So, you even got the hat too, SBO. And
Club of America. Yep.
wow. How big, how many millimeters was the turbo? Did you say? I forgot.
It's a 57 trim.
57, okay.
It's a T3, T4 with a 57.
Do you race it at all? Anything?
I used to autocross it,
okay.
but I don't anymore.
How'd it do on autocross?
It did very well.
Good, I bet so, I bet so.
Yeah.
Cool.
I mean, it's so balanced though. That's the thing with SVOs.
They are, yeah. And you didn't, I guess you got the IRS, so you somewhat had to convert it, but did you have to really do anything in the front?
I put the
different spindles?
SN95 spindles.
Yeah.
Well, right now it's got stock Fox control arms under it.
Okay.
Because I was running 18x9s and 18x10 wheels on it.
Give you a peek at the interior too. Look at that. Look at that gauge cluster. There we go. It is set up. I bet that is a lot of fun, SBO. Bet it's a lot of fun. You heard all the specs on it. Didn't expect to see this one, but Hicks House Videos comes through again. That is the SVO. I think that's the way you'd want it. Right there. Love it. Brent, did you catch that? That I gave him your card for your channel?
I like that.
See, I'm advertising for Brent out here. No, you came through, Brent. That was the car.
Yes.
I think we just made the title and thumbnail for this one. Thank you.
Yes.
Guys, I arrived back to the booth just in time because it looks like they're wrapping up. So I avoided work once again, apparently. I'm sure they'll find something for me to do. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Having a lot of fun out here at Pitts, as you can see. And I'll be back tomorrow. May have more video content coming for you. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. And if you're here, you could actually subscribe using that. It's pretty cool. Got a little scammy thing on there. But yeah, I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. So you can count on that consistent content. And that's pretty much it. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704.